Voyager 1 stands as one of humanity's most remarkable space achievements. It is the most distant object ever created by humans, traveling far beyond anything we have sent before. Since its launch in 1977, it has been moving through space for decades, and even today, it continues to send valuable information back to Earth. What makes this mission truly extraordinary is how far it has exceeded expectations. Scientists never imagined it would last this long or travel this far. Voyager 1 has now reached interstellar space, a region beyond the influence of our solar system. This moment marked a major milestone in the history of exploration. Despite being built with technology from the 1970s, the spacecraft is still operational. Its systems were designed long before modern computers, yet they continue to function reliably. With very limited memory and power, Voyager 1 proves how strong and carefully engineered it really is. Its journey began during a rare alignment of the outer planets. This special arrangement allowed scientists to design a path that would take advantage of planetary gravity. The trajectory was planned by Gary Flandreau, who used basic tools to map out an efficient route. This technique, known as a gravity assist, allows a spacecraft to gain speed by using a planet's gravitational pull. Because of this, Voyager was able to travel much farther in less time. Voyager 1 was not alone in this mission. Its twin, Voyager 2, was launched shortly after. Together, they explored the outer planets and captured incredible images. They revealed new details about Jupiter and Saturn, including volcanic activity and icy moons. These discoveries changed our understanding of these distant worlds. Voyager 2 later continued its journey to Uranus and Neptune, becoming the first spacecraft to visit them. Both probes, despite their small size and limited resources, achieved groundbreaking results. Even today, they continue to send signals across unimaginable distances. These signals are extremely weak, using less energy than a simple household bulb. As they move farther away, communication becomes more challenging, and messages take many hours to reach Earth. Still, they continue to provide useful data. One of the key regions Voyager has helped scientists study is the outer boundary of our solar system. It crossed a critical point known as the heliopause, the area where the Sun's influence begins to fade. Beyond this lies the vast space between stars. When Voyager 1 crossed this boundary, scientists expected a sharp change in the magnetic field. Instead, the transition appeared smoother than predicted. This unexpected result challenged previous theories and suggested that the Sun's reach extends farther than we once believed. The mission continues to reshape our understanding of space. Every piece of data adds to our knowledge of the universe. Even the smallest signals are incredibly valuable. Voyager's success has also influenced future missions. Engineers and scientists have learned from its design, helping them build better spacecraft with improved communication and navigation systems. Beyond its scientific achievements, Voyager represents something deeper: human curiosity. It shows that exploration has no limits. Even with old technology, incredible things are possible. Today, Voyager 1 continues its journey into the unknown. It carries with it a message of discovery and a reminder of what humanity can achieve. Step by step, it is helping us unlock the mysteries of the universe. But Voyager 1's journey is far from over. In fact, the deeper it travels into interstellar space, the more mysterious its mission becomes. Out there, beyond the reach of the Sun, space is no longer shaped by our solar system. Instead, Voyager is moving through a region influenced by distant stars, a place humanity has never explored before. The environment is colder, darker, and far more unpredictable. One of the most fascinating things Voyager continues to study is cosmic radiation. These high-energy particles travel across the galaxy at incredible speeds. As Voyager moves forward, it is also helping scientists map the invisible structure of space. Magnetic fields stretch across the galaxy, shaping how particles move and interact. Voyager's instruments are giving us our first real glimpse into how these forces behave so far from home. But there is a growing challenge. With each passing year, Voyager 1 loses a little more power. Its energy source, a radioisotope generator, slowly weakens over time. To keep the spacecraft alive, engineers have been carefully turning off non-essential systems one by one. Every decision matters. Each system that is shut down means less data, but also a longer life for the mission. It's a delicate balance between survival and discovery. At some point, Voyager will go silent. Its instruments will shut down, and its signals will fade into the vastness of space. But even then, its journey will continue. Long after communication ends, Voyager 1 will keep drifting through the galaxy for millions of years. It carries with it the famous Golden Record, a message from Earth. This record includes sounds, images, and greetings from humanity, designed in case it is ever found by another form of life. The idea is both simple and powerful, a time capsule of our existence, traveling endlessly through the stars. No one knows if it will ever be discovered. The distances in space are so vast that the chances are incredibly small. But the message itself represents hope, a belief that we are not alone, and a desire to connect. Voyager's story is not just about science. It is about imagination, persistence, and the human spirit. It shows that even a small machine, built decades ago, can leave a lasting mark on the universe. And perhaps the most incredible part is this: Voyager is still out there, still moving, still carrying our story farther than anything else we have ever created. Each second, it travels deeper into the unknown. Each moment, it becomes more distant from the world that built it. Yet in a way, it is still connected to us. Because every signal it sends is a reminder that we dared to reach beyond our limits. And we succeeded. And then, there will be a final moment. A moment no one on Earth will hear as it happens. Somewhere in the silent darkness, far beyond the reach of the sun, Voyager 1 will send its last signal. A faint whisper of data, traveling across billions of kilometers, growing weaker with every second, until it disappears completely. No explosion. No warning. Just silence. On Earth, scientists will be watching closely. Waiting. Hoping for one last transmission. And then, nothing. The connection will be gone. But Voyager's journey will not end there. It will continue drifting through interstellar space, alone, untouched, and unseen. A machine built by human hands, now becoming part of the galaxy itself. Over time, it will pass near distant stars, though it will never stop, never slow down, never return. Millions of years will pass. Continents on Earth will shift. Civilizations may rise and fall. Humanity itself may change in ways we cannot imagine. But Voyager 1 will still be out there, moving quietly through the darkness. And inside it, the Golden Record will remain. A fragile collection of sounds and images, laughter, music, greetings in different languages, the heartbeat of a planet. It carries the essence of who we were at a single moment in time. Not perfect. Not complete. But real. A message without a destination. A story without a guaranteed listener. And yet, it exists. Somewhere in the distant future, perhaps another form of life may find it. Or perhaps it will drift forever, never discovered. The universe does not promise answers. It does not promise meaning. But Voyager does something remarkable. It asks a question. It asks if anyone, anywhere, will ever hear us. And maybe that is enough. Because Voyager 1 is more than a spacecraft. It is proof that we were here, that we looked up at the stars and chose not to stay silent.